Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a part like this in Plasticity. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. This will help me a lot to grow this channel. I will start a new project and we will begin by creating a cylinder. Choose to create a cylinder with the center point at the origin. Select the origin of the coordinate system. Here, when you hover the cursor over the origin of the coordinate system, a snap will be activated. If you click the left mouse button, the center of the cylinder will be linked to the origin of the coordinate system. To have these snaps active, you need to check this option here. Next, press the Tab key to specify the diameter of this cylinder. Enter 70 mm for the diameter of the cylinder and press the Enter key. Now we need to specify the height of this cylinder. We can do this by dragging the gizmo or by pressing the D key on the keyboard and entering the extrusion value. Press D, enter 40 mm and press Enter to confirm. Press Enter again to finish creating the cylinder. Next, we will create a sphere. Choose to create a sphere and select a point on the x-axis as the center of the sphere. Press Tab to specify the diameter of the sphere, enter 15 mm and press Enter to confirm. Press Enter again to finish creating the sphere. Now we will cut this sphere in half, select the line drawing tool and draw a line along the x-axis. So, we just select the line drawing tool, specify the first point on the x-axis, drag the line, and specify the second point on the x-axis as well. Click right to finish drawing the line. The dimensions of this line do not matter much. The important thing is that the line aligns with the x-axis. Now switch to solid selection. Select the sphere and choose the Cut command. You can press the C key on the keyboard or press F and type Cut here. Select this command. The sphere has been selected as the solid we will be cutting, and now we specify the cutting geometry. Point to the line and click OK to confirm. The sphere has been cut in this way. I select one half, press Delete, select the line and press Delete again. Now I select the sphere and we will rotate this sphere by 90 degrees. We select the Rotate command. We can click here or press the R key on the keyboard. Rotate by 90 degrees around the x-axis. Here I enter 90. Click somewhere else to see how it will look. And click OK to confirm. OK, we have something like this. Now we will add another piece to this solid. Switch to face selection. Select this face, and the Offset Face command has been activated here. Now, when I drag it upwards, this solid will be made like this, but that's not what I want. So I press Escape. This face is selected, and I press the E key on the keyboard to activate the Extrude command. Now, when we add the extrusion, it will be performed like this. Let's add an extrusion of 20 mm, so I press the D key, type 20, and click OK. We have an extrusion of 20 mm. And now we click OK to confirm. We have created such a part. Now we will move this part onto this solid. This solid is selected. We choose the Move command. You can click here or press the G key on the keyboard. Now the reference point is the center of this solid. I would like the reference point to be the center of the upper surface of this solid. That's why I press the F key on the keyboard to activate the Freestyle command. I specify this point as the reference point, and now I can move this solid with the reference point. When this snap is activated, click the left mouse button here and click OK. This way, we have moved this solid here. Now we will use the Radial Array command and add additional copies of this solid. This solid is selected. We choose the Radial Array command and specify this point as the center of the radial array. Let's add 10 copies of this solid and click OK. Now we will subtract these solids from the cylinder. To do this, we select the cylinder, first select the solid we will be subtracting from, and now, with the Shift key in the workspace, select the other solids. We can also press the Ctrl key and select the other solids, or we can press the Shift key and click the left mouse button on the last solid. Then all the solids will be selected. It's important that the first solid to be selected is the one we are subtracting from. Now we will activate the Boolean operation. We can click this icon or press the Q key on the keyboard. By default, the diff operation is selected, which is subtracting one solid from another. We accept this operation, and this way we have created something like this. Now, we will add fillets to all the edges of the solid. This solid is selected, and to select all edges of the solid, meaning to convert the selection of the solid into edge selection, we use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+2. Now all edges have been selected, and we add a radius of 2 mm here. To precisely add the radius value, we press the D key, then type 2, hit enter, and enter again. This way, we have added the fillet. Here, as you can see, I have the edge visibility turned off. To enable or disable edge visibility, we right-click here and select Show Edges. And in this simple way, using a few basic operations, we have created this solid. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.